Hey guys, I'm Hyan and I'm 10 years old and I love coding and I'm here to teach you how to pass physics level on the hack computer. So let's start. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna teach you now is how to pass level 1 physics. And you click on this orange arrow, what many of you wouldn't have noticed. You click on this girl, she's called actually Ada, and then you click on sure. So physics will pop up on your desktop. You just click on it. So now I'm gonna jump for the fun part, and you click on this purple button, which you use to hack. You'll have to click on the middle of it, and the physics key will pop up and open it. So this is the desktop, and you can change a lot of stuff here. So the radius is like how big or how small the thing is. I'm gonna change the radius of the diamond just so you can see it. Are you seeing the diamond right here? So I'm gonna change it so it's smaller. Saw that? And gravity, well, look at the diamond still. It goes up, or if you put minus gravity, it goes down. And friction is like the velocity of it, kind of. And bounce, well, you know what bounce means. And attractions, you can make it so one thing attracts to another. If you put minus attraction, it's almost impossible for them to hit. So yeah, that's basically it. So in the next video, I'm gonna tell you about system. And I hope you really like this one. Bye!